YouTube, what's going on? So yeah, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do a little voiceover. As you can see here, we're working on the Husqvarna E5, tightening them spokes for Bryson to race Winchester Supercross. His first time ever racing a Supercross style track. So, very tight corners. You got to be on the gas, off the gas. You got to be on the brakes, off the brakes. So, yeah, really excited to see how he does this weekend. We got his Husqvarna E5 along with we got his Yamaha PW50 and the Stasic. So he's racing 8 motos. It's going to be an awesome weekend, and check out the footage. Thanks. Woo, YouTube. We set up. We are here at Winchester. Supercross tracks right there. You probably can't see it. We're gonna go look for Bryson. He's running around playing with all the kids, going crazy. I'm gonna go try to find him. Stay tuned. It's a sick track, dude. Leggy. All right, Bri, let's go, buddy. Time for a shower.
You're Drew Sergeant. That's me.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I forgot it, Sergeant.
What about the hula? What about the hula?
The first thing I had to learn was heaps of hands.
I saw that, Jackson. I saw that.
Oh, Bri. Hold on. Go. Good job, dude. Good job. Good job, buddy. Keep. Well, hey, what are you doing? Training for Loretta's? Nice, dude. We got a pedal. Are you picking which one you want?
I want to pick this one.
Go ahead. Do it. Time for Daddy to run.
Come here, Dad.
What?
Can I do this one?
That's weights, honey. You just want to do a bike.
Yeah, bite.
All right, go ahead. Go pick.
Oh, yeah. Let's see here. I want to pick a boy. What I pick? Can I pick this pink one?
Go ahead.
No, come here. This one. This guy.
Sure. Mommy loves him. Cody Rigsby.
Press the red button.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I'll press it again, bro.
Let's go. Fans want to see you pedal.
I do not know how to... Ow! How to...
Can you reach? Oh, got the light up shoes. What?
I
Yo.
cannot even hear what I'm saying.
You got the Paw Patrols
I cannot
on?
even hear what I'm saying.
Oh, because I'm connected.